I really gotta stop with the one-click ordering. Or not. What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So, this video is basically going to reveal how severe my shopping problem is. Just kidding. I've turned it into a career, so it's actually business, right? Whatever, I'll worry about that another time. So, today, as you can tell by all the packages on my bed, I have been doing a little bit of shopping. I'm always doing a little bit of shopping. And today, I'm just gonna show you everything I bought online this week, which could take hours. Just kidding, it'll probably only take like 20, 30 minutes. Grab your popcorn. So, yeah, without further ado, here is a little really random online shopping haul of everything that I spent money on this week. Don't judge me, okay? Okay. Oh goodness. Okay, yeah. So this is a lot of stuff. Some of it, not gonna lie, I've opened already. Some of it is still in the boxes and I have no idea what's in it. So we're just gonna go through it all and see what's there. Exhilarating. Like y'all know, it's gonna be good. Are you excited for the haul, pumpkin? No? Oh, I love you. Let's open some packages. This one's the biggest, so it's first. Ooh, it's like Christmas, except it's not Christmas at all yet. Oh, hell yeah! Woo! Do you know what it is? A hairball! You ever seen someone so excited to get a giant chunk of hair in the mail? It would have been really weird if I didn't order this, but yes, I got a bunch of new hair extensions because honestly, my hair is just getting like kind of crusty. I always buy new hair extensions, and these are from a lovely brand called ZALA hair. I have a bunch of hair from them. Actually, this hair that I'm wearing right now is actually from ZALA. It's like my super, super long one. Like, this is just so fun. Look at that. Kim K Nation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So anyways, yeah, but what I got new, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 new sets of hair. Here they are all laid out in their majesty, but you can see I'm gonna put some of them on right now, but we got a nice full set of seamless clips. I love these because these are like really natural and soft and flat on your head. So we got those. I also got a halo, which is like basically one giant piece. And then I got these wrappy ponytails. These are how you do that like Ariana Grande-esque looks. I just love getting hair. Okay. Show you my real hair for a sec. So yeah, this is my natural hair. This is the halo. This is great for like if you really just want to go somewhere quick, which is me all the time. I actually usually leave the house looking like poo in sweatpants like 99% of the time. Still always like to have hair. So this is like literally all you do is like plop that on like that. Pull your hair on top of it. Look at that! One trick wonder. Boom! Literally the easiest thing ever. And now I'm not bald. For the ponytails, I literally just put my hair in a normal pony, like this. Then you take the little wrap thing, and you literally just like tuck it. Can you guys see this? I hope so. Tuck this in the ponytail. Voila. You take this little wrappy piece and wrap it around. Fabulous. I do those crazy high ponies with this too. Oh my god, yes. Woo! Literally like a pony. That was like really nice. P.S. If you guys want to twin with me and steal my hair look, you guys can click the link in my description. Code Amber for $20 off and free shipping and all sorts of other jazz. So huge shout out to ZALA Hair for sponsoring this video. Love you guys. Thank you for making me a hair legend. Ooh, a hair flip with this hair. Iconic. Okay, so moving on from hair, I think we're gonna do shoes. Yay! Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god! Now that's a boot. These boots were made for walking. Woo! You love it, honey? No? Maybe? Okay. This looks really funny with sweatpants, but oh my gosh, look at these. I actually got these on Poshmark for a killer deal. These are Jimmy Choo patent leather nude boots. Oh! And I got them for like $100, which is such a banger deal. You guys have no idea. These are like $1,500 boots. Oh, amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing work. I buy stuff on Poshmark literally all the time. I think actually like half the things that I'm gonna show you guys in this haul is probably from there. Yeah, great deals on designer stuff. If I ever leave these on the floor, George, no chewing the chews, got it? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. A don't want no Jimmy Choo, do you know what I'm saying? By the way, that's not the only pair of boots I bought. I actually bought 2 others too. Ta-da! Surprise! Another pair! Oh my goodness. Oh! Wow. Oh my god, look at these. These are so cool. I don't know if you guys can even tell. This is like soft and fuzzy. So cool. Oh my god, work. Yes, I do lay on the floor to film my hauls sometimes. I don't know. You can see they're used, obviously, but that explains why I got a $2,000 pair of boots for $100. Broke bitch tips, we love a deal. By the way, I don't know if you noticed this ring. Oh my god, so gorgeous. I'm not including that in this video because I actually didn't buy that online. I bought that in person the other day, but don't worry, I filmed a video, so that shopping spree will be posted next week. But anyways, for now, back to the shoes. These are gonna look amazing when I'm not wearing a really weird rolled up sweatpants look. What next? I always get something from Amazon delivered like literally every day. I don't know what this is, so let's find out. Oh yes, I got this black bustier top. Ooh, like, okay, yes, work. That's that. What's next? What else did I get from Amazon? Something weird, probably. Oh, a bunch of gold ornaments. Anyways, that's that. Let's see, I think that's all the Amazon stuff. What else did we got? Okay, these are kind of random. I have actually been ordering a bajillion Swarovski things lately because you guys know I just really love Christmas and I've recently become addicted to buying these. I am just obsessed with the Swarovski crystal figurines. You guys remember the ones that I bought in Paris? Ever since I bought those, I just need to buy more. So a bunch of them have been coming in the mail lately and these are the ones that came this morning. Like, oh my god, is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? He's so sparkly and cute. He's a superstar. I also just got this one. Oh my god, an angel. Best friends. And this is the one I'm most excited about. So you guys saw me find this one in the store the other day for $600. Ouch. Well, your girl found it on Amazon. Oh my god. This is the most beautiful little thing I've ever seen. I also got these snowflake crystals. Oh my god, I love them. I literally am just obsessed with the Swarovski crystals. Oh my god, they spark so much joy. So I'm gonna do a whole video dedicated to these little guys because I have like hundreds of them, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, those are the ones I got today. I've been getting like 5 a day for like 3 weeks, so yeah. Shh, don't tell the credit card company. Okay, so that's those. What else? What's in this box? I don't know. Oh yeah! Oh, yay! You guys might be confused because you probably saw me wear this like a million times a long time ago. I had the fake Yeezus Tour merch. This is the real version. Like it's got this little evil design on the back and everything. Pretty cool. I just was a big fan of this sweatshirt ever since I saw Kourtney Kardashian wearing it. I got this on a website called Grailed, which is basically like men's resale fashion. Y'all know I love that shit. So I actually bought a couple other things too. This Burberry hat that you've seen me wear, yeah, got that on there. I also got the matching purse on there. I'm like that book, if you give Luce a muffin. If you give an Amber a Burberry hat, she's also gonna wanna buy the matching purse. And probably the matching headband. Which, yes, is another thing I bought online this week. Oh, thank God this is my job. Speaking of bucket hats though, I actually also got this one on Grailed. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm really into bucket hats lately. Anyways, that's that. So, what else did we get? Oh yeah! Oh my god, yay! Ta-da! 1 million more contact lenses! Y'all know I have big brownie, greenish kind of colored eyes, but ever since I did that video for the colored contact lenses, I've been obsessed with them. Like, oh my god, look at this. Ooh, fire. So yeah, so fun to shake up your look sometimes. So yeah, I got like 100 million more pairs of those. All right, anyways, what else? What oh. Okay, so talk about incredibly random stuff to buy. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! It's beautiful. Yes, this is an Hermes plate. And yes, I did only buy one of them. Isn't It's expensive as hell. I'm not gonna buy the whole set, but I thought one would be like a fun decor for my kitchen, which is currently filled of like my crafts. And also I figured since I can't cook, I should own at least one kitchen supply, a plate. God, the more I film this, the crazier I feel. Well, at least y'all knew I was crazy before this, but yeah, so I bought a plate. Just call me Chef Amber with my one plate. Okay, what else did we get here, kids? I think, oh, yay! I got the new iPhone because y'all know, oops, I cracked the hell out of mine. Ooh, so you can see I got the nice new gold one. This is what it looks like. Good side by side, same size, but this one is like roundy and more of a rose gold, and this one is like, ooh, sleek and chic and not broken. So that's fun. I will transfer that all over later. Oh. Wow, I think this is the most conservative looking thing I've ever purchased in my life. So I got a black and white cardigan. We thought it was gonna be conservative. No, A, I have to clean this mirror like really badly, but B, oh my goodness, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, not conservative at all. I'm gonna wear it with my little headband and a little Hoey schoolgirly skirt. It's gonna be so cute. By the way, is this not the cutest little box you've ever seen in your life? Oh my God! I am going to Miami literally tomorrow, so shout out to my gals over at Meshki. Love you, miss you. Want to do another collab soon? Yeah? Okay, let me know. But yeah, they sent me some bikinis. Ooh, like we got this cute little pearly one. Oh my God. I'm like really gonna try not to get demonetized for trying this on, so real quick, here you go. Oh my goodness. So cute. I guess stay tuned for Miami photos if you really want to see it. But anyways, yeah. I also got this gray one from Amazon to match my new gray contacts, which yes, I am that extra. Oh, damn, this one I'm super naked, so I'm gonna only show this one from really far away, but ooh, spicy. I can technically use all this hair to cover my whole body. Boop. Pretty cool. Anyways, okay, that's enough of the inappropriate stuff. Oh, this is still zoomed in. Oops. There we go. Okay, let's see. What else do we got? OMG, I think I know what this is. I'm screaming. This is a vintage crystal Dior necklace. Oh my God, this is so cute. This is from the early 2000s, I believe. I actually already have the matching earrings, which I should really put in. Oh my God, yes! I got these earrings on eBay months and months ago. I think like August. I think I used the excuse that it was my birthday. And yeah, I saw this in my little like eBay recommendations thing, and I was like, hell yeah, I need it. Like I said, if you give a moose a muffin. P.S. though, just FYI, I know it seems like I seem like a bumbling spending money idiot, but actually this is going to be worth a lot with this set, you know, so if I ever want to resell it, I can make hella coin on this. Just FYI. You know, there's a business bitch in there somewhere. Okay, what else? Oh my God, actually, I forgot about this. Speaking of Dior. A Dior bag, I know, Amber doesn't seem that exciting, but in the absolute greatest news of my lifetime, I am on Dior's PR list apparently because they sent me a bunch of makeup and perfume and I just, oh my God. All my years of spending lots of money at Dior finally paid off. Like, look at this. I got so much makeup. I'm so excited. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do like a full face of Dior video soon. What's in here? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna start crying. Wow, this is great. Oh yes. Woohoo! I got some more pumpkin cupcake Bath & Body Works candles because these are my favorite candles in the world. Bruh. I keep these here on my little angel statues and here in my room because, yeah, I like to light them in the night. They smell good. Oh, oh dear, more candles. FYI, these candles also smell literally amazing, but they're like $70 a candle. So they're really expensive, but they also smell very good. So like a good, you know, splurge present. Even the box smells good. Oh boy. What else? Do you think I am insane, pumpkin? Okay. I think that's, oh, no, actually, a bunch of you guys were asking me about these shoes in my Instagram story the other day. Well, what I didn't mention was they were actually for a craft. Amazing. So yeah, I actually bedazzled these, of course, courtesy of my darling Benny gave me some crystals, and I crystallized these just like I did in that little other video that I made, but I made some high top Converse. Oh my God, these are so cute. I'm screaming. Like, oh my God, are you kidding me? Wow, are these my new favorite shoes? In hilarious news, I'm still wearing that bikini, but anyways, don't want to get demonetized, so yeah. I don't know if you guys just saw this out of the corner of your eye. I showed this in my last video and a bunch of you guys still asked about it. This is literally the most beautifulest purse ever. Yeah, I got this one on Shein the other day because I also have this one and I thought it should have a girlfriend. Have fun, kids. Use protection. Okay. If you're insane enough to still be watching, A, thank you. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And B, are you ready for the grand finale? I also got these. Ooh, this even comes with everything. That's cool. Wow, fun. Oh my God, these are fire. These are so beautiful. I'm gonna cry. Wow, an absolute look. Okay, so maybe a dirty bathrobe isn't much of a look, but these boots, fantastic. Oh, my hair is so long, it's literally getting in the shot. Now that's iconic. And that, my friends, I think, is everything I bought online this week. At least for now. Probably a bunch more packages will arrive tonight, but you know what? We're not gonna count those. I'll put them in another vlog. Please watch all the ads and comment and subscribe so I can keep doing crazy hauls and support my shopping addiction. Again, huge shout out to ZALA Hair for sponsoring this video and making me look absolutely fabulous all the time. You are my favorite. I'll see you guys next time. All the love in the world and then some. And don't forget, always, always, always treat yourself. You're a star. You deserve it. Plus, if you don't pay your bills, it's all free. I'm kidding. Never take financial advice from me. Okay, till next time, sweet angels. XO. Dang it, I hate this part where I have to clean up. Or maybe I just won't. I'll just shop online out here instead. I love being an adult.